Are you doing credit repair and not making money? Repairing credit for free is frustrating, but it's also common. Many people believe that they have to repair credit for free to get started in the credit repair industry. And I've seen doing credit repair for free promoted by major credit repair software companies. And I always kind of shake my head. I mean, it's great to do a favor every now and then, but helping people buy a home and qualify for a car loan takes work that you should get paid for. Now, my name is Dominique Brown, the owner and creator of the 30-Day CRA program. I help people just like you grow profitable credit repair companies so you can have time freedom, financial freedom, and the location freedom that you deserve. And I do this by showing you how to get more leads, more sales, and better results. With that said, many people think if you do free credit repair, that will fast track you to getting paid clients. This can't be further from the truth. Repeat after me. People who pay attention. If you're going to do anything for free, you should create a free lead magnet to attract your ideal customer. For example, say you wanted to attract more clients who are interested in buying a home. Well, you can create a quick ebook to give away for free. For example, like 3 tips first-time home buyers need to avoid if they want to buy a home this year, or something like that, right? In exchange for your ebook, that person has to provide their name, email, and/or phone number. Now, not everyone will need credit help, but if 100 people download your ebook and 50 of them have credit problems, they are more likely to want to work with you because you led with value. And guess what? People are going to be willing to pay you for your help because they trust you to get results, because you already helped them by getting them a little bit closer to their end goal. Now, you didn't completely solve the problem, but you gave them a step in the right direction, kind of like a free sample of what's more to come if they pay to work with you. Remember, people who pay attention. This video is already getting a bit long, but if you want to make the leap from doing credit repair sometimes to running an established business, the 30-Day CRA program could help. The modules of the program teach you how to form a legitimate business, which is important, and we also show you how to think and act like a legitimate business. The process of going legit can be confusing and intimidating, but we break it down so you know what to do step by step. It's not as difficult as it might seem when you have the support of me, the 30-Day CRA team, and other students doing it along with you. Talk to you soon. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and check out the description below this video. We have updated links to our best programs and offerings that can help you reach your goals faster. We look forward to helping you reach your goals, and we can't wait to talk to you in the next video.